Video number 7. Creating content for your AdSense site the right way. One of the most important things you'll ever do for your AdSense website is post quality content. Yes, that's right. People will need to love your content. People should be willing to go to your site to find highly helpful information, and Google has to notice that. For that, there are 3 steps you could apply in order to achieve this. Search for a hot topic, look for a quality writer, and post your content correctly. Search for a hot topic. As you may already know, we decide what ads Google will place in our site based upon the content we post on our AdSense site. That means we also decide how much money we want to make per click, depending on the keyword we decide to create the content around for a specific post. For that, it would be an extremely good idea to use what advertisers use to get traffic to their site with the help of those Google ads, and that is Google AdWords. In simple terms, Google AdWords is the program used by advertisers to place those ads that are automatically shown on your webpage, depending on the content of your site. That means it's the program where Google gets the money to pay you. Advertisers pay Google per click, Google AdWords, and Google pays you part of that money per click, Google AdSense. Google AdWords also offers a really awesome tool called the Keyword Planner, especially for those advertisers planning to advertise ads with Google and pay per click. That means it's a good indicator tool on how much money you could expect to get per click for a specific keyword. You simply perform a keyword search for your niche, decide some targeting parameters, and click on Get Ideas. Under the Keyword Ideas tab, you can see some awesome information. Here you can see all kinds of topic ideas to write about on your AdSense blog. You could check what each column means by placing the cursor over the question mark. The average monthly searches will tell you how much interest there is for that topic on Google. The competition will tell you if a low, medium, or high amount of advertisers are actually paying Google to advertise ads around those keywords. The suggested bid will tell you how much those advertisers are willing to pay Google for someone to click on their ad. That is the indicator which will tell you how much you could expect to get paid per click with Google AdSense. You can use the filter to show only the best topic ideas to work with. You could put 1,000 searches as the minimum, leave the suggested bid blank for now, and check medium and high for the competitors. Then click Save. As you can see, you have some really hot and high-paying topics to write about on your blog. You can write an article for each and every one of them. You can organize them by category too, which is a really nice idea for an AdSense site. We show you on video 1 that publishers receive 68% of the revenue and Google 32%. For example, if I decide to create an article about treatment for type 2 diabetes, which advertisers pay up to $15 for a click, then $10.20 would go to me and $4.80 would go to Google. Look for a quality writer. iWriter is an excellent choice when looking for an article writing service. It continually includes a number of content samples for a possible customer to review. It offers writers organized by rank skill level, and you'll be able to choose which level of writers you want to work with. Fiverr.com produces quality content that helps a niche audience get ranked fast in search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. It is a great place to get just about anything done from advertising to article writing. You can just pick one of the experienced freelancers with awesome reviews to enrich your AdSense site. ContentDevelopmentPros.com gives you articles, blog posts, ebooks, or content for your AdSense site. Your content can also be search engine optimized to achieve higher rankings on Google, Yahoo, MSN, and AOL, thus gaining your AdSense site more traffic. It can be suitable for the style you require, whether it's just informative or spellbindingly persuasive. Posting your content. Now that you have your premium quality content ready to publish, and we are about to do that, but first, you need to add a few more really important plugins. Go to Plugins, add new, and search for Google XML Sitemap. Click on Install and activate it. Sitemaps are a way to tell Google about pages on your site that we might not otherwise discover, so it is important for SEO purposes. By just installing the plugin, that file will be created. You can take a look at that file by going to your domain name and putting at the end of it /sitemap.xml. The second must-have plugin is called All-in-One SEO Pack, which obviously is used to make sure your content is properly optimized for top search engine rankings, especially for Google. Search for the All-in-One SEO Pack plugin, install it, and activate it. Before posting your content, you should make a few changes within the settings of the plugin. If you click on the round symbols, you'll learn what the feature of the plugin is. In this area, you can add the title, description, and the keywords for your homepage. To enable the keywords function, you'll need to go down. Also here, you'll be able to decide how you want your titles to appear. We advise you to remove the blog title tag because it is unnecessary for SEO purposes, especially for the post and page title. Go down and click on Update Options. Two final things to consider are the following. To ensure that your URLs look less suspicious to your readers and for SEO purposes, go to your WordPress dashboard settings area, and inside the permalinks area, select Post Name and click Save Changes. That way, your main keyword is in your URL as well. The last thing to do before posting is create the categories. Go to Posts, Categories, and quickly edit the uncategorized. Then, you'll add the rest of the categories according to the hot topics you have discovered at Google Keyword Planner. Now, we are ready to publish our first post. For that, go to Posts. Trash the Hello World one and add a new post. For SEO purposes, you should use the main keyword you used to create the content. First, place it in the title. Then, add the content. Format it, and make sure your main keyword is inside the H1 tag. By only placing the main keyword in the title, you are already making sure it is on an H1 tag. The title is H1 by default. It is not necessary to include the keyword everywhere in the content. A few times is enough. Just try to be natural. Going down, you'll see some very important features from the all-in-one SEO pack. You should look at this. Here you'll insert the title, the description, where you should include the main keyword at least once, and the keywords. In the Google Keyword Planner, you can find many keywords related to the main one. Here is the right place to put them. You can also set a featured image if you like. We advise you upload an 800 by 300 pixel image for every post you publish. You can also optimize your image for SEO purposes. Then, click on Set Featured Image. You should also check the proper category. Finally, you'll click on Publish. This is what your brand new post looks like. And this is how your homepage looks so far. Well, your mission is now to plan on posting the best quality content as often as you can for the rest of the categories, and as many as you can for each category. Remember, with more content, more people will come.